Surprising English phrases. Expressions you need to know. Natural phrases native speakers use every day. It's safe to say. Meaning. Use this when you can make a confident statement because you have strong evidence. Example. It's safe to say it's going to rain today. Also, it's safe to say everyone loved the concert. Don't use it for obvious facts. It's safe to say Paris is in France. Get to the bottom of something. Meaning, to discover the truth or full details, especially when something is confusing or suspicious. Example. Let's get to the bottom of this and see what went wrong. My laptop keeps shutting down. I'm going to get to the bottom of this. A layup. Literal. A very easy basketball shot close to the basket. Everyday meaning. Something that is very easy to do. Example. The final exam was a layup. I'd already memorized the whole textbook. Usage. Casual spoken English. Avoided informal writing. Hold the phone. Meaning. An expression meaning wait a second, usually showing shock or surprise. Example. Hold the phone, are you serious? Hold the phone, let me see that ticket. Not the same as on hold. This phrase is a surprised reaction. Put on some pounds. Meaning. A casual, lighthearted way to say you've gained weight. Example. I've definitely been putting on a few pounds since the holidays. Working from home means I skip the gym. I think I'm putting on some pounds. Informal and joking. Less clinical than I'm gaining weight. More than enough. Meaning. Plenty more than a sufficient amount. Example. No need. We already have more than enough food. You've given us more than enough information. Use culture. It's common to offer to bring something to a gathering. More than enough is a polite way to say nothing else is needed. Play it cool. Meaning. Stay calm and relaxed on the outside, even when you feel nervous or excited. Example. Just play it cool and answer confidently. Oh, nothing much. Playing it cool to hide a surprise party. Remember, it's about controlling your emotions, not being trendy. Short-circuit your brain. Meaning. A humorous way to say your brain feels overwhelmed or unable to think clearly. Example. I studied all night and my brain just short-circuited. After back-to-back meetings, my brain completely short-circuited. Humorous expression, not a serious medical term. Down bad. Meaning. Slang for feeling desperate, emotionally low, or physically unwell, depending on context. Example. My team lost the championship. I was so down bad. She's been texting her ex all week. Girl is down bad. Popular with younger speakers. Context determines the meaning. Get through to someone. Meaning. To successfully make someone understand something important. Example. It's hard to get through to teenagers about the dangers of texting and driving. I've been trying to get through to my manager about the staffing problem. Different from get through, meaning to finish something. Give me a holler. Meaning. A very casual way to say call me or let me know. Example. Give me a holler if you need anything this weekend. Also, give me a holler once you land. U.S. More common in the southern and midwestern U.S. Casual slang, not for formal communication. IRL. IRL means in real life, meaning meeting or interacting face-to-face rather than only online. Example. We've been talking on Instagram for months, but we still haven't met IRL. Also, she's hilarious in texts, but I wonder if she's just as funny IRL. Woo woo. Meaning, a playful, informal term for spiritual or mystical ideas that aren't scientifically proven. Example: crystals give off healing energy. That's a little too woo-woo for me. Common examples: astrology, crystal healing, energy readings. Can sound dismissive, so use it carefully. A red herring. Meaning, something that misleads people away from the real issue or truth. Example: the company blamed the delay on the weather, but that was just a red herring. Real issue. RED herring. Distraction. It's more than something irrelevant. It specifically misleads, gives something life. Meaning, to make something more exciting, energetic, or interesting. Example: they brought in a DJ to give the event some life. Also, adding plants and artwork really gave the office some life. Own it. Meaning, to accept full responsibility, usually for a mistake, instead of making excuses. Example: I made an error in the report. Am going to own it and fix it. Grammar note. Here, own means accept responsibility, not possess, pigeonhole someone. Meaning, to unfairly limit someone to one category or role. Example: I don't want to be pigeonholed as just a comedy actor. She was pigeonholed as the quiet one in school. Usually has a negative meaning because it suggests unfair limitation. To bomb. Meaning, to fail badly, often in front of an audience. Example: I totally bombed that job interview. The comedian bombed his first set. Casual and blunt. Fine for everyday conversation, but too harsh for some formal situations. Build something up. Meaning, to create a lot of excitement or anticipation, sometimes so much that reality disappoints. Example: it was good, but you built it up way too much. Don't build up the surprise too much, or she might be disappointed. On the right side of history. Meaning, to support positions considered moral, just, and likely to be viewed positively in the future. Example: many activists say they want to be on the right side of history. The company wants to be on the right side of history by investing in renewable energy. Tone. Formal and dramatic. Common in speeches, debates, and serious discussions. Go on record. Meaning, to publicly and clearly state your opinion or prediction so people remember your position. Example: I want to go on record saying I predicted this outcome months ago. Let me go on record right now. I think this restaurant will be a huge success. It doesn't require an actual official record. It can simply mean stating your position clearly. Quick review. Surprising English phrases. Phrase. Simple meaning. It's safe to say. Confident conclusion. Get to the bottom of it. Find the truth. A layup. Very easy. Play it cool. Stay calm. Hold the phone. Wait or seriously. Put on some pounds. Gain weight. More than enough. Plenty. Short circuit your brain. Feel mentally overwhelmed. Give me a holler. Call or contact me. Down bad. Emotionally or physically low. Get through to someone. Make someone understand. IRL. In real life. Woo-woo. mystical or unscientific, a red herring, misleading distraction, give something life, make it more lively, own it, accept responsibility, pigeonhole someone, unfairly limit someone, bomb, fail badly, build something up, create high expectations, right side of history, support a just position, go on record, state your position publicly, your goal, understand the phrase, learn the context, use it naturally.